how to buy Sora Labs. So this token came under the symbol of Sora. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description box. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So as you can see, this token, it's available on the screener. As you can see, it's created in the 23 hours ago. It's increased by 11,000% in the last 24 hours. The market cap, it's $8.7 million and the volume is $80 million. As you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 97%. That's good. That's mean your investment in safe place. To be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token is under the Solana network. This token, it's trending number 14 in the screener right now. So to be able to buy this token, open your phantom wallet for that. Click on swap here and make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. As you can see, so this is our token. Now click on it. After that, type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider. For example, OKX. This is the only provider in the phantom wallet right now. And after that, make sure to read all that information here, and after that, click on swap and you will be redirected to OKX provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issues, just go back to this page with the slippage from here or customer, because the most of the issues came from this slippage, and after that, go and you will buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy Sora token in your wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.